Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. And for today's video, I will teach you how to change a video background in Canva. So first of all, we go to landscape video. Press the landscape video and we can choose here a image background. Let's say that we have here an elements. Say we have a girl right here. So we want to change of this background to a video background. So we will now next go to videos. Let's say we want a nature background. So we press on nature. Say this is a nature video, right? Or maybe a moving nature background here. We can just go here. Then maybe we can add stock videos. So maybe this is a stock videos. So what we want to do to change the background is we put this one and click on background remover. We can see it's white, so we go here and put it on the topper layer here. After putting it on the top layer, we know that it overdoes this, so we press on elements, background remover. There we go. Then once we play the video, we can see that the background is now different from the first one. So once again, thank you for watching for this video, and I hope that you have learned a lot of the things. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks. Thank you so much.